और इसके तुरंत बाद हम लोग जो है, क्योंकि कवि सम्मेलन ज्यादा देर का नहीं, बस 15 से 20 मिनट का ये कवि सम्मेलन आपका होगा। इसके तुरंत बाद जो है क्यूज कॉन्टेस्ट में तमाम प्रतिभागी जो है भाग लेंगे, वहां तक आपकी गरिमा उपस्थिति रहनी चाहिए। उसके बाद जो है आप सभी बच्चों का जिन्होंने प्रतिभा में भाग लिया है उनको प्रशस्ति पत्र दिया जाएगा। तो वहां तक आप बने रहिए हमारे साथ, बीच बीच में आपको गुदगुदाते हंसाते खिलाते हमारे कवि भी रहेंगे और बाकी बातचीत कंटेस्ट में आपको बिल्कुल मजा आने वाला है। तो सिद्धार्थ आर्य अभी आपके बीच अस्थिर डिलीवर करेंगे। धन्यवाद।
A very warm good evening to all of you present here. I am Siddharth Arya from St. Mary's School, Masori, Patna. My father's name is Shiv Shankar Bhatt. Today I am going to introduce about one of the greatest of all time, who is Aryabhat. He was a very great mathematician, astronomer and astrologer who was born in 476 AD in Kusumpura nearby Patliputra, which was the capital of Ashmak region. This Ashmak region is now known as our beautiful country India. This region was extended from the Takshashila in the north to the Kanchipuram in the south, and from the Pragyotishpura in the east to the Grinagra in the west. And this region was ruled by the Gupta dynasty, and the ruler was the Buddhagupta. And when Aryabhat was only of 23 years, when he was gaining his education in the Nalanda University, which is now situated in Rajgir, then he composed many books. One of his most famous book is Aryabhata, which was composed of 122 verses, which explained about mathematics and astronomy. His discoveries are invention of pi, value of pi, invention of zero, and invention of formulas of trigonometrical functions, arithmetic progressions, solar and lunar eclipses, and reflection of light. In his value of pi, he said that the ratio of the circumference and the diameter of a circle is 62,832 is to 20,000, which is equivalent to 3.1456, which is exact till 5 digits after the decimal without any modern technology. And now the value of pi is 3.1415926538979 and so on. But that time he approximated till the 5 value. He also proposed the heliocentric theory or the heliocentric model, which states that all the planets in the solar system revolve around the sun, and this thing he did 1000 years before the Copernicus. Copernicus was a foreign scientist who did this in 1583 AD, but he did this in 500 AD. He also stated that the Satyug, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga and Kali Yuga are equal. And he also said that after 3600 years of starting of the Kali Yuga, he was of 23 years of age. And his discovery of zero was very important, because by this we will get our knowledge in mathematics and in many fields. And he also proposed that the earth is round and it rotates on its own axis, which was also very great imaginary, and it was also very big discovery. So, and I want my speech by saying that Aryabhatta was one of the greatest mathematician and astrologer of all time. And one more thing, that with the passage of time, our rulers and the name of our country are changing and changing, but no any leader try to find out more and more about the Aryabhatta invention and his discoveries and his works. So I request all of our leaders to try to find more knowledge about Aryabhatta's work. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस बच्चे को यदि आप गौर से देख रहे होंगे तो आपके अंदर भी कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप हो रहा होगा, क्योंकि ये बच्चा जिस अंदाज में आप लोगों के बीच खुद को प्रस्तुत कर रहा था, जैसे लग रहा था इसके अंदर टीचिंग एटीट्यूड ज्यादा है, और उसी अंदाज में ये बच्चा आपके बीच अपनी बातें रख रहा था। तो मैं ऐसे बच्चों के लिए कहना चाहता हूँ, जो अपने आप में एक कहने का मतलब जो है बवाना है, आपका गोला है, कहना है कि तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है, तू चल तेरे वजूद को समय को भी तलाश है। धन्यवाद। तो